Hello friends, welcome again to the class on hospitality management. In this class, we study about the hotel. Hotel is an establishment providing accommodation, meals and other services for travelers and tourists. For a layman, a hotel is a commercial establishment which provides meals. Technically speaking, such kind of an establishment cannot be considered as a hotel. An establishment which provides only meals is called a restaurant. Hotels and restaurants are both business establishments that cater to different needs of customers. The basic aim of a restaurant is to provide food and drink, whereas the basic aim of a hotel is to provide accommodation. However, almost all hotels have restaurants and food and beverage departments. Under hospitality management, hotel is a commercial establishment providing lodging, meals and other guest services. Specifically speaking, to be called a hotel, an establishment must have a minimum of 6 letting rooms, at least 3 of which must have attached private bathroom facilities also. If hotel is an establishment which provides meals, accommodation and guest services, we may have some doubts on some other terms such as resort, lodge, hostel, etc. Some of these establishments are hotels but known in different names. Resorts, motels, flotels, rotels, etc. are considered hotels but with a different name. We can see what's meant by a resort hotel. Hotels that are located at tourist destinations such as hill stations, beaches and countrysides are referred to as resort hotels. They are also termed as health resort, beach resort, hill resort, etc. depending on their purpose and location. These hotels usually have very calm and natural ambience. They are mostly away from cities and are located in pollution-free environment. Room rates in these hotels may range from moderate to high, depending on the additional services offered in these resorts. The next one, motels. The word motel is formed by merging two words, motor and hotel. It means that these motels are meant for motorists or travelers. They are located primarily on highways and provide modest lodging to highway travelers. A motel offers facilities such as accommodation, food and drinks, and some motels even provide garage facilities, ample parking facilities, and refueling for vehicles. The length of stay is usually overnight in these motels. The next type is botels. A houseboat hotel is referred as botel. The Shikaras of Kashmir and Ketuvala of Kerala are houseboats in India. This offers luxurious accommodation to travelers. Another category of hotel is flotels. Flotels are a type of lodging properties that float on the surface of water. This category consists of all lodging properties that are built on the top of rads or semi-submersible platforms. Cruise ships and houseboats can be included under this category. Some of them provide luxurious accommodation along with the food and beverage facilities to guests. Floating hotels provide long stay. Next type is rotels. The hotels which rotate on wheels are called rotels. These are also called motels on wheels. The best example of rotel in India is Palace on Wheels. The Palace on Wheels is a luxury tourist train, fully air conditioned and well furnished with attached restaurant and bar. It was launched by the Indian Railways in association with the Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation to promote tourism. However, there are some other establishments which may provide food and accommodation but not considered as hotels. Hostels, lodges, boarding, yatri niwas for domestic tourists, dharmashalas seen in pilgrimage centers, inspection bungalows (IB), and rest houses meant for officials. Retiring rooms in airports and railway stations, etc., are not considered as hotels. Now we can see the types of hotels. A hotel is an establishment that provides paid lodging and guest services on a short-term basis. Here the guest services are dependent on the facilities available in a hotel. Facilities provided by hotels may range from the most basic guest services to high luxurious facilities. Some small lower priced hotels may offer only the most basic guest services and facilities. They may have only a modest quality mattress in a small room and a common bathroom. But some large hotels have large suites with bigger, higher quality beds, dresser, refrigerator, kitchen facilities, upholstered chairs, television and attached bathrooms. Hotels may be different types. As we have already mentioned, the hotels may range from small sized to very big sized, depending on the number of rooms and facilities offered. Based on the number of rooms, hotels can be classified as small, medium, large and very large. Usually the small hotels may have less than 25 rooms. Hotels with 26 to 100 rooms can be called medium hotels. Hotels with more than 100 but up to 300 rooms can be called large hotels, and hotels with more than 300 rooms can be called very large hotels. Hotels can also be classified on the basis of facilities offered. Larger, higher priced hotels may provide additional guest facilities such as swimming pool, business center with computers, printers and other office equipments, child care facilities, conference halls, event facilities, tennis or basketball courts, gymnasium, restaurants, spa and social function services. On the basis of facilities offered, hotels can be classified. In India, the Ministry of Tourism operates a scheme whereby hotel operators can voluntarily seek a classification from the Hotel and Restaurant Approval and Classification Committee, HRACC. It is set up under the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. On the basis of the facilities opted for, hotels in India can be classified under the star categories. The star categories are single star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star and 5 star deluxe. This is the star rating of hotels in India. The hotels need to apply for getting such a star rating. Upon application, hotels will be inspected on a two-stage process. Firstly, the availability of the facilities and services mandated in terms of the guidelines will be evaluated by the officials. Thereafter, the inspection committee of the HRSCC will evaluate the quality of the mandated facilities and services offered at the hotel. These are to ensure standardization of the same for customer convenience and safety. The classification is valid for the period of 5 years and the same can be renewed upon expiry. Some of the critical facilities and services should be provided by all star-rated hotels in India. Such facilities include 24-hour lift for all hotels higher than ground floor plus 2 floors. Minimum 10 lettable rooms should be there, and the rooms should have outside windows and ventilation. And energy saving lighting, smoke detectors, guest toiletries, water saving taps and showers, etc. should be provided. There should be public restroom for ladies and gents. And at least one room should be for differently abled guests. Facility for receiving payment through digital payment means and acceptance of common credit cards, etc. should be there. Sewage treatment plants, rainwater harvesting, pollution control measures, and CFC-free refrigeration units are also mandatory for all hotels. CFC is chlorofluorocarbon. It is related with the refrigerators and considered harmful to human beings. Such CFC should not be used in the air conditioners of star-rated hotels. All star-rated hotels are also required to ensure that their cutlery is of stainless steel only. The use of aluminium is prohibited for cutlery or vessels at hotels. Additionally, 4, 5 and 5 star deluxe category hotels are also mandatorily required to have at least one suite, in-room safe, bar, where bar license is not prohibited under state law, in-room tea or coffee making facility, business center, etc. as part of the facilities and services. These are in addition to other facilities and services which are also applicable on such hotels. Swimming pool is mandatory only in 5 star and 5 star deluxe hotels. 4, 5 and 5 star deluxe category hotels are required to provide a luminous LED clock near the pool. Trained lifeguards should also be there. The guidelines also provide for the minimum size of the rooms that are required to be present in the star category hotels. These range from 120 square feet for 1 and 2 star hotels and up to 200 square feet for 5 star hotels. In addition to this, in the case of 5 star and 5 star deluxe category hotels, the multi-cuisine restaurant should be open on 24/7 basis. Hotels are also required to prominently display their star category on their website. Along with the star rating of hotels, one more category is to be mentioned, that is heritage hotel. Heritage hotels are hotels set in heritage properties such as small forts, palaces, hovels, the mansions of erstwhile royal and aristocratic families, etc. In a heritage hotel, a visitor is offered rooms that have their own history. Traditional food is served. Guests are entertained by folk artists. They get an opportunity to participate in activities that allow a glimpse into the heritage of the region. It provides an atmosphere to live and breathe in the past. According to Ministry of Tourism, the heritage hotels are further subdivided as heritage hotels, heritage classic hotels and heritage grand hotels. Heritage hotels. This category covers hotels in residences, hovels, hunting lodges, castles or forts and palaces built during 1935 to 1950. The next category is heritage classic hotels. This category covers hotels in residences, hovels, hunting lodges, castles or forts and the palaces built prior to 1935 but after 1920. The hotels built on buildings, residences, hovels, hunting lodges, castles or forts and palaces prior to 1920 are called heritage grand hotels. Hotels can also be classified on the basis of level of service. On the basis of level of service, hotels are classified as economy hotels, mid-market hotels and luxury hotels. At first, the economy hotel. This economy hotel is also called as budget hotels. These hotels meet the basic needs of the guest by providing comfortable and clean room for a comfortable stay. Next one, mid-market hotels. It is a suite hotel that offers a small living room with appropriate furniture and a small bedroom with a king-sized bed. Next category is luxury hotels. Luxury hotels offer world-class service providing restaurant and lounges, meeting rooms, dining facilities, etc. The guest rooms contain furnishing, artwork, etc. These are primarily meant for celebrities, business executives and high-ranking political figures. Next category is on the basis of length of stay. On the basis of length of stay, hotels can be classified as transient hotels, residential hotels and semi-residential hotels. The first one, transient hotel. Transient hotels cater to the needs of people who are on the move and need a stopover en route to their journey. These hotels are located in the close proximity of ports of entry such as seaport, airport and major railway stations and are normally patronized by transient travelers. They have round-the-clock operational room service and coffee shop and all the facilities of a commercial hotel. These are the hotels where guest stays for a day or even less. They are usually 5-star hotels. The occupancy rate is usually very high. Next type is residential hotels. As the name suggests, residential hotels provide accommodation for longer duration. These hotels are generally patronized by people who are on a temporary official deputation to a city where they do not have their own residences. Guests stay for a minimum period of 1 month and up to 2 years. The rent can be paid on monthly or quarterly basis. They provide sitting room, bedroom and kitchens. Next type is a semi-residential hotel. These hotels incorporate features of both transient and residential hotels. And another classification is on the basis of theme. On the basis of theme, hotels are classified as eco hotels, boutique hotels, and spa. Eco hotel. Eco hotels are environment friendly hotels. These hotels use eco-friendly items in the rooms. These eco hotels are also termed as green hotels. The basic definition of a green hotel is an environmentally responsible lodging that follows the practices of green living. Another type is boutique hotels. This hotel provides exceptional accommodation. Rooms are furnished in a themed and stylish manner and caters to corporate travelers. These are very small and expensive hotels and mainly cater for elite class. They are different hotels in which each room has a distinct personality. This hotel is small, but it has more number of restaurants. Next type is spa. Spa is a resort which provide massaging along with other features of luxury hotels. Based on target market, hotels can be classified as convention hotels, resort hotels, suite hotels, commercial hotels, and casino hotels. The first one, convention hotel. Convention is defined as a formal assembly or meeting of members, representatives, or delegates of a group. This type of meetings involves large number of participants. The hotels catering to the needs of these segments are known as convention hotels. These hotels have large convention complex and conference halls. These hotels may have more than 2,000 rooms to accommodate the large number of delegates. They are equipped with the state-of-the-art convention center with all the required facilities such as seating facilities, audio-visual equipments, and public address system to meet the demand of a convention. Next type is resort hotels. These are leisure hotels. These are mainly for vacationers who want to relax and enjoy with their family. The occupancy varies as per season. These are usually spread out in vast areas. Next type is suite hotels. These hotels offer rooms with compact kitchen. They cater to people who stay away from home for a long business purpose. Generally, people like lawyers and executives are the occupants of such hotels as they need to stay for a long time as part of their profession. Next category is commercial hotel. They are situated in the heart of the city and in busy commercial areas so as to get good and high business. They cater mostly businessmen. These hotels provide high standard rooms and amenities along with high-speed internet connectivity, business centers and conference halls. The last category is casino hotels. Hotel with gambling facilities comes under this category. They have guest room and food services also. These hotels tend to cater leisure and vacation travelers. Gambling activities at some casino hotels operate 24 hours a day and 365 days a year. These hotels attract the clients by promoting gambling, arranging extravagant floor shows, and some may also provide charter flight services to its clients. They have state-of-the-art gambling facilities along with the specialities restaurants, bars, round-the-clock room services, furnished rooms for their guests. Okay. Okay, we can have further discussions in the coming classes. Thank you.